okay? And actually, um, maybe actually I shouldn't do this. Let me just write the equation for you. 5x plus 3 equals 4x plus 1, okay? So let's just look at this. Now, do you see that there are variables on both sides of the equation?
Yeah.
Okay, and that's a big deal. That's really important here, okay? This is different than anything else that we've encountered. When you have variables on both sides of the equation, well, you want to move the variables, okay? You want to move you want to move the smaller to the larger. So which is smaller, 5x or 4x?
What's smaller, 5x or 4x? 4x.
4x. So you're going to subtract 4x from both sides.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And so now what is 5x minus 4x?
5x minus 4x.
Yes.
5x minus 4x. Let me write this down. That equals 1x.
The 1x plus 3 equals 1. Okay. Now this right here, this is a two-step equation. This is something we've been solving. This is stuff we've been solving for a while now. So we have to undo this plus 3. How do you undo plus 3?
How do you undo plus 3?
Yeah. How do you undo addition by 3?
Addition by 3. How do you undo addition by 3? You subtract by 3.
Subtract 3 on both sides. So what does x equal?
X equal. Let me just subtract it down. Let me do that. Yeah. 1 minus -3. That's -2.
-2. Good. Okay. So the idea here is you're moving the smaller to the larger. So let's look at another one here. 3x minus 7 equals 2x minus 4. So you're looking at the variables. You're looking at the variables. So 3x and 2x, which is smaller, 3x or 2x?
That's 2x.
Okay, so move the 2x to the other side. So you're going to subtract 2x from both sides.
It's 1x.
Okay. 1x minus 7 equals -4.
Yep.
Now what do you do to solve for x? How do you undo this subtraction by 7?
Add 7. Yep.
So what does x equal?
4 plus 7. 3.
X equals 3. Good. All right, you ready to try one on your own here?
Yeah.
Okay. 3x minus 9 equals 2x minus 4. I just want your final answer, okay?
X equals. Hold on. X equals 5.
Okay, good. All right, so let's take a look here. So I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. So it's 1x minus 9 equals minus 4. Add 9 to both sides. X equals 5, like that. You got it. Good.
Mhm.
Okay, so let's look at another problem here. So new problem here is minus 4x plus 3 equal 2x minus 9. Okay. So which is smaller, Sourish? Is it minus 4x or is it 2x? Which is smaller?
Which is smaller,
Yeah.
2x.
Nope. So we're looking for the one that's
Oh, -4.
yeah. So this time it's like,
Because
where
it's
do they fall
negative
on
and
the
pursues
number
a
line?
positive.
That's right. So this one is smaller. So this time it's a little bit different. You're going to add 4x to both sides. So notice you do not always move to the left. You move from the smaller to the larger.
Yep.
Okay. So this becomes 3 equals, what is 2x plus 4x?
2x plus 4x. That's 6x.
Minus 9, like that. Okay. So now what do you do to solve for x? How do you undo this subtraction by 9?
You have to, first of all, you need to be able to add and subtract 6 from 9.
Okay. So how do you undo subtraction by 9?
Add.
Add 9 to both sides.
Mhm.
All right. What does the left side become?
12.
Okay. Now what do you do to solve for x?
You have to divide and then equals 2.
All right. Okay. You ready to try one on your own here?
Let me see this problem for a minute.
Sure.
Like go up to
Okay.
the this one, yeah. Okay. Let's go.
So I'm going to put a problem in front of you now, and we'll see. So this is minus 6x plus 5 equals 3x minus 4. So this is really, really similar to the previous one. I just want your final answer. So go ahead and Work that out, please.
Okay. -1.
The final answer is x equals -1. Is that right?
Mhm.
All right, tell me what you did first. What did you move? Did you move the -6x or did you move the 3x?
I added the 6x to 3x.
Okay, that's a good start here. So you got 5 equals 9x minus 4. Is that what yours looks like?
Yes.
Okay. Now we want to undo subtraction by 4. How do you undo subtraction by 4?
Add.
Add 4. Yes. Okay, so you add 4 to both sides. 9 equals 9x.
That's a 1.
X equal, you divide by 9 and x equals 1. Good. Okay. So pretty close, right? I don't know where your negative one came from. What do you see? How did that happen?
Well, what I did is I subtracted 5 from -4. Because there's a plus sign on 5.
Well, but you look at the side with the variable. You always look at the side with the variable. Once the variable's on one side, you only look at that side to make your decision. You follow that?
Always look at the side of the variable. Okay,
Yeah, because you want to set up.
okay.
So is that what you're seeing?
Yeah, I'm seeing that.
Okay. Great. Okay, so we're gonna do another one here. Got to get you to work it all the way through. This one's gonna be a little bit more difficult, but I know you can do it. I'll help sort of initially here. It's I don't think we've done this one. No, we have not. Minus 6x minus 3 equals minus 8x minus 7. How do you undo which one? Is minus 6x smaller or minus 8x smaller? Sourish, which one is smaller?
Mm. Minus 6x. Minus XX.
Nope. Which is more left on a number line. So where is
Minus
minus
8x.
6? Yeah, so you're gonna move the minus 8x over by adding 8x to both sides. So I'd like you to work the problem from here. I've kind of already told you the first step and you already know it here. So go ahead and work the problem out from here, please.
Okay. X equals -5.
Okay, so your answer is x equals -5. Let's take a look here. So that's 2x minus 3 equals
Yeah.
-7. What did you do? What did you do on, look at the side with the variable. Don't look at this number on the other side. Look at the side with the variable.
Okay. What I did is that now I have to be able to. I have to be able to add -7 by 3, -3.
Are you adding 3 or adding -3, Sourish?
Adding -3.
Well, no, that if you do that, then you're not getting rid of it. You undo it. How do you undo subtraction?
-7 plus 3.
You have to add 3. Okay, so you're gonna have to rework the problem from here because your answer is not correct. So go ahead and rework it. And then we'll take a short break.
X equals -2.
X equals -2. Good. Okay. So let's take a short break here. I'll see you at 1:35. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Sourish, let me know when you're back and we'll keep going. We'll do a couple more problems here.
Okay.
All right, so here's a new one for you to look at. Kind of same situation here. Let's go minus 2x plus 3 equals minus 5x minus 6. And you got to decide which is smaller, minus 2x or minus 5. So what do you say here? Which one is smaller? Which is smaller, minus 2x or minus 5x?
Minus 5x. Minus 5x.
Yep. So you're going to add 5x to both sides, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now I want you to continue working out the problem from here and tell me what you come up with.
Okay.
How are you doing on this one, Sarish?
I'm working on it. X equals -3.
Yeah, that's perfect. Really good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, doing great today. I really appreciate the effort.
Mm-hmm.
So let's see if we can get one more in here before we close out here. Yeah, this won't be too bad here. So let's go with 3x minus 9 equals minus 5x plus 7 there. So go ahead and give that a try, please, and let me know what you come up with.
Okay. X equals 2.
Equals 2. Let's take a look here. So we're going to add 5x to both sides. Is that what you did?
Mhm.
So you get 8x minus 9 equals positive 7. Now, tell me what you did next. Look at the side with the variable. What did you do next?
Hmm.
You solved it, Sarah. So you should be able to tell me what you did here.
Yep, now what I did is that I need to be able to, first of all, you need to be able to add 9 to add 9 to 7.
Okay, so that becomes 8x equals 16.
Yep. And then that equals 2.
Right. Very good. Equals 2. Really good. Okay. I did that one really fast. Let's see what else we can do here. So let's say I give you something. See if I can look for some more problems here. How do you feel about what we learned today so far?
Feeling good.
All right, let me see if I can find one here. So here's one more for you, Sourish. 4x minus 10 equals minus 3x plus 4. However long it takes you to solve this, that'll be our last question of the day. So go ahead and give that a shot, please.
Mhm.
Yeah, it's very tough exam, 8 hour exam. Yeah, 1 2 point is. Point to do it.
How are you doing on this one, Sourish?
Doing good, I'm doing good.
Okay.
It equals -2.
All right, let's take a look here. So did you add 3x to both sides?
Yeah. Mhm.
7x minus 10 equals 4. Now what do you do next? Tell me what you did next to solve this, please. Sourish, do you understand what I'm asking you?
Yeah, how I solved it? Yes, what I did is that I need to be able to yeah, I have to be able to subtract add 10 to 4
Okay, that's good. So 7x equals 14. And then what do you have left from here?
That's, I am so 2.
Divided by 7 and x equals 2, not negative 2. Not sure where you got the negative from.
Sorry
So,
about that.
well, where did it come from?
Sorry.
No, I'm asking you. I mean, I think you subtracted 4
Well,
from both
I
sides.
was thinking it was an 8. I was thinking I have to divide 4, divide by -8. I just don't know.
Yeah, well, I don't think you actually solved this. So we're gonna have to do some things differently going forward because you're not.
No, it's
actually doing
because
the problems.
I thought this was I thought for I thought we're supposed to use 4 to be able to subtract by 10, and I was thinking it was an 8, but I just forgot.
All right. So we're gonna end here for today. So we're all done for the week with